Not a lot of apps let you choose which protocol you can use, but Speedify's transport modes feature lets you manually choose between UDP, TCP, HTTPS, TCP multi, or let the app intelligently make decisions for you. Here's how you do it. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed Speedify. If you don't have it yet, head to speedify.com/download. The app's available for all platforms. Once you have the app installed, run Speedify and connect to a server with the toggle in the top right corner. To choose your preferred protocol, or transport mode as we like to call them, head into the settings menu by clicking the hamburger in the top left of the app. Scroll down to see session settings, and there you'll see transport mode. Click on it. Under transport mode, you'll see 5 options: automatic, UDP, TCP multiple, TCP, and HTTPS. As you see, automatic is selected by default as the recommended setting, because this will allow the app to make intelligent decisions based on your connections and what you're doing while connected. UDP provides the best performance on slow and unreliable connections, as recommended for latency-sensitive applications like gaming and live streaming. With the UDP transport, Speedify is able to recover lost packets and keep performance high. TCP multiple uses multiple parallel TCP sockets for better performance than a single TCP socket, recommended for very fast networks and networks with high latency or packet loss. Using multiple sockets allows some sockets to continue sending data even if some are stuck waiting to resend lost packets. Do you like this video so far? Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, Speedify how-tos, and our weekly office hours live stream where we answer your questions live. Next is TCP, which is a connection-oriented, reliable protocol, which means that it guarantees in-order delivery of data packets. If a data packet is lost across the network, TCP will resend the lost packets, but at the cost of lower performance. And last, but certainly not least, HTTPS usually operates on port 443 and is the common protocol used on the internet for web browsing. This protocol can be useful on restrictive networks that block or throttle traffic on other ports but allow web browsing. Because of the extra overhead, HTTPS transport is typically slower than the other options above, so it's used as a last resort if the other protocols are unable to connect. That's it! While we recommend sticking with the automatic setting, as Speedify is able to make the important decisions that will help maximize your connection's performance and reliability. If you know that your connections will require something specific, or you've already been advised by our support team to try different transport modes, you are free to manually switch transport modes at any time. So now that you understand how transport modes work, check out our other video about connection priorities, because it will allow you to control how each of your connections are used, giving you an even better online experience.